Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your ClickUp profile picture. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time, refreshing your workspace with a new look, or you simply want your teammates to recognize you more easily, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Once you reach the homepage, click the login button at the top right. Enter your email address, type in your password, and log into your workspace. Make sure you type your credentials carefully so you don't run into any login issues. Password accuracy matters. Next, once you're inside your ClickUp workspace, look for your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options from here. Select Settings so you can access your personal account settings. Follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Inside the settings window, you'll see your current avatar displayed at the top. This might be the default profile icon or an older photo you uploaded. To change it, simply click on your avatar. You'll be taken to a page where you'll find an option labeled Add Custom Avatar. When you click it, you'll see the upload option appear, allowing you to choose a new picture from your device. The process is very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the picture you upload is clear, well-lit, and centered. Since ClickUp displays profile photos in a circular frame, a centered image ensures your face doesn't get cropped awkwardly. Also, choose a photo that represents you professionally. If you're part of a team, it helps with collaboration and recognition. Once you've selected and uploaded your new picture, you'll notice the Save button becomes active. Click Save to lock in your new avatar. After that, scroll down and click Save Changes to confirm everything. Once these steps are done, you should be able to see your new profile picture across your ClickUp workspace without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to refresh your browser to make sure the update appears instantly everywhere. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to update your ClickUp profile picture easily and give your workspace a more personal and welcoming touch. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?